Hello, second grade. This is Wednesday's lesson. You're going to need your notebook again. You're going to need scissors and glue. You're going to need, you can either use markers, colored pencils, or crayons, but you need a red, yellow, and green. I've got crayons. And then you're going to need this sheet out of your baggie. And then you should also have a pom-pom in there, which we'll talk about the pom-pom in a little bit. So go ahead and open your notebook to a clean page like we normally do. And we're going to trim this where it will fit to be glued down in your notebook. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I did trim mine where I kept the name of the game on the side. I'm going to go ahead and open my glue and glue it down. Alright, got that glued down. So now it looks like this in my notebook. So this is your assignment today. This is part 1. So my next step is to color one of these red, yellow, and green. You don't have to do a perfect job on these, but color in the circle as best as you can. Doesn't have to be perfect, like I said. So I'm kind of doing a little bit of a fast coloring. And green. And it doesn't have to be exactly green, like this one I'm using is a Granny Smith apple green, but that's okay, it's still a green. Same with the red and the yellow. Okay, so I've got mine. Red, yellow, and green. If you want to, you can color the rest of the stoplight, but you don't have to. Alright, so what you're going to do with your pom-pom is you're going to lay this down and you're going to throw your pom-pom a total of 10 times. So you want your pom-pom to end up landing on one of these colors each time you throw it. Let me go ahead and write on mine. So down at the bottom, I'm going to put an R for red, a Y for yellow, and a G for green. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. So an R, Y, and a G. So if my pom-pom lands on the red, I'm going to put a red tally mark. If it lands on the yellow, I'm going to put one there. So you're going to keep doing tallies for your total of 10 times. Once you finish that, so see how there's white here and white here? I'm going to write most, the word most, and I'm going to write least. So I want you to do that once you've got all your 10 tallies down here. And then you're going to tell me which one your pom-pom landed on the most and which one your pom-pom landed on the least. So mine, I'm going to pretend mine landed on the red the most. That's my favorite color after all. And my least is going to be yellow. Okay, so red and yellow. So once you have it all done, you've colored it, you've glued it, you've thrown your pom-pom 10 times and you've tallied them, and you wrote most and least and told me the name of the color for each one, then you can take a picture and send it to me, okay? So that's going to be your assignment for today, and then I will see you on Friday.